Joe Gill here with My Phoenix Real Estate. Here's another home care tip. Hey everybody. We're doing some drywall hanging, which is one of the things that I hate to do because these anchors are always awful until I found these. So if you check this out, they actually have threads on this anchor and you can use this anchor to actually screw into the wall. Here's how easy it is. Just pop a little hole with your drill. These will actually drill themselves in. See how easy that was? And now, once you get your screw into the anchor, it's gonna split this thing. Once that splits, it stays in there. The best part about this is when you're done, and if you need to close this up, you don't have to rip it out of the hole and create this giant hole in your drywall. It actually still has threads and you can just thread it out and then plug it up.